Oh, brush that was in that one. Old non-3-man bishop here. Looks like he's got a candy cane up his ass. Alright, stalk of corn one. Think something's wrong with him. Upstairs. Come on, bud. There you go. Hey! Hey! Hang on. Dang you dumbass.
Bad, like that stooge in the Christmas sauce.
Yeah, I seen that.
Oh,
come on, Papa. Come on, Papa. Get that top one out there and let's go. You got a top one up top, still got to be got. Yeah, but you got to go on up on it a little bit. Hey! Oh, no! What? I gotta go up. You gotta go up. I just told you gotta go up on it. What are you doing? You gotta go on up on it, Bubba. You gotta get out on the limb, Bubba. You get it. Stingy ladder. It's stingy ladder on up there.
That's the best. I'm scared of it.
Are you? You better get over. You're scaring us.
Hey, Kurt. He's brave. That boy's hungry.
No, I know. I'm going up there. I'm gonna go up there.
He would go to the hospital.
Does he? Oh yeah, because of them. Because of his balls. Yeah, my buddy's having ball problems. I still got to take that one and that one. I'm not taking that whole thing on. Yeah. Watch yourself. So I was just trying to get that stuff there to pop on up there. There we go. Come on, buddy. Hey Chad, come help me, bub. Come step down. Oh, step down on the sprung this. Just walk your rope down until it pulls it down easily. Pull it. Step on it. All you gotta do is step on it.
I just didn't want to put nothing on it and didn't have it.
Yeah. Easy. Be easy. We don't want you to hit the building. Go ahead, you got it. It's clear. It's clear. Help him, Chad. Help him, Chad. That's all right. That's okay. It's no problem. I'll fix it. Come on, boys. That's good. It's got it. Yeah, now I can cut it loose. We're going to move the ladder over now and cut it loose. Nothing's hanging over the building at least. Nothing's hanging over the building at least. Hey, let me have that thing before you run it in the ground. Run it in the ground, I do it. I told you to run it in the ground.